Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I make a lot of skincare and haircare reviews, beauty related reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to review the Moskina Moisturizing cream. The price of this cream is 350 rupees and you get 100 grams of quantity of this product. This product comes in a plastic bottle with a squeezy tube and it has a flip open cap. So this has a very standard basic packaging. This is the complete ingredient list of this moisturizer. They have added ingredients like ceramides. It also contains silicones in it. But the main and key ingredient of this moisturizer is liquid paraffin, which is a form of a mineral oil. But this moisturizer is fragrance free. The texture of this moisturizer is a very thick, it is a thick moisturizing cream. It is very occlusive. It is great for the winter season if you have oily skin, and if you have dry skin you can use it in any season. This works great. They don't have a website of this brand, and this is a pharma product, so it is available in medicines, in medical stores, and in apps like Pharmeasy. So the outer cardboard packaging as well as the inner tube only has a few things, only 3 things mentioned, which can be termed as claims. So all they say is that repairs, moisturizes and soothes. So these were the thing that they have mentioned. Apart from this, there's nothing else mentioned on the product packaging apart from the ingredient list. So it definitely does all of these 3 things. They have added ceramides, which definitely helps in building and repairing the damaged skin barrier. So it works great for people with acne prone skin. If you have a lot of acne scars and breakouts, this helps in healing up of acne faster than usual. I have seen the reduction in acne, and even the existing ones have healed up quite faster than usual. It is mostly for dry skin, but I have oily skin, so I've been using, I have tried this during the winter season and it works great. I just use a little more than a pea size quantity and that works best. But I don't think so that this can be used in the summer season, because it's a little bit of a thick moisturizing and occlusive cream. If you have dry skin or if you have oily skin people can use it during the summer, and if you're dry skin, then this is great. It's a very good moisturizer. It is fragrance free, great for sensitive skin, acne prone skin, and it is mostly like a healing sort of cream. So in case you have troubled skin barrier and you want to use something that would help in healing up of all the acne and the compromised skin barrier, then this is a perfect cream. I have seen so many praises about this product and so many great reviews, and finally I got to try this one, and it is so affordable. If you're looking for a ceramide based cream, then this is one of the most affordable cream out there. And I have calculated, and most of the products out there that contain ceramides are more expensive than this one. So this is one of the most affordable ceramide based cream, and if you want to try something, if you under a budget, then this is great. A ceramide based product, and it works as great as any serum, or it gives visible results. So this is perfect, and I highly recommend this one. That is it from my overall review of the Moskina cream. I hope you found this short video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare, haircare, all sorts of beauty related reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.